Hey everyone, I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back and I'm here to show you all pipe cleaner curls on my mom's locks. So I'm going to show you the installation and the takedown, so stay tuned. So my mom just washed her hair maybe a couple of hours ago and she towel dried them. So while they're still damp, I wanted to moisten them again. So I used the rose water moisturizer and I like to use that when it comes to making curls because the rose water moisturizer helps to keep your hair hydrated longer. Oftentimes, an issue people have with curling their locks is that they don't want to mist their hair with the curls in because obviously water will encourage your hair to drop faster. However, if you use a leave-in moisturizer, a leave-in conditioner, such as the rose water moisturizer, you won't feel inclined to have to mist it as often as you do otherwise when you're just using regular water. So keep that in mind. If you are concerned about your hair falling as a result of misting your hair with your water as you typically do, definitely try the rose water moisturizer or try a leave-in conditioner before you put in the pipe cleaners. So my mom has about 60 locks or so, give or take, and I used one pipe cleaner per lock. I did not do a retwist because I prefer the volume that a no retwist gives curls. I think it just looks better. I guess that's just a matter of my preference. Let me know how you feel about that. Leave a comment below. Do you prefer to retwist your hair when you install curls or do you prefer no retwist? Again, I prefer no retwist, so that's what I did for my mom. And I noticed that a lot of people, when I do make these curl videos, a lot of people say, Keisha, why do you unravel the locks? You should just pull the rod out. You should just pull the pipe cleaner out. And the reason why I don't do that is because I curl the lock onto the roller or onto the rod or onto the pipe cleaner very tightly. And it's to the point where I just can't snatch the pipe cleaner out. I can't snatch the rod out. And the reason why I do it so tightly is because that is one factor into why curls tend to last really long on my hair or on my mom's hair because I roll the lock onto the rod very tightly and I find that that helps significantly. So if that's an issue that you have, your curls drop too fast, maybe you're not rolling your lock on the roller or on the pipe cleaner, maybe you're not rolling it on tightly enough. So try to tighten it up a bit. And if you roll your hair tightly and dry it completely, then you don't have to worry about your curls falling as a result of you unraveling the lock from the pipe cleaner or from the rod or from the roller. So my mom put her locks in the hood of a handheld dryer, the hood attachment. I have that in my Amazon storefront, so check that out if you need a hood attachment for your handheld dryer that helps to thoroughly dry your hair all over and faster than just using a handheld dryer. Most of us don't have an overhead dryer to sit under, or those tend to be uncomfortable, so that's an option. So she dried it on and off for a day, and here I am taking the curls out on Christmas. And here's the results. Let me know what you think. I think it came out very beautifully. I love my mom's hair color. It reminds me of when my hair was this color back in the day. Pipe cleaner curls give a nice, tight, long-lasting curl. So while my mom's locks are down to her waist, to her lower back, these curls give her nice neck length. What do you think? Thank you so much for watching. I hope everyone has been having a happy holiday. And remember, the holiday sale is still on until January 5th. So make sure you get your holiday bundle, which is the full Love, Light, and Locks product line. It is 35% during this sale. So shop now while you can still save. Thank you so much for watching, and everyone, have a happy new year. See you 2024.